Okay, privacy. Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I will be unboxing a Fitbit Aspire 3 that I bought from Amazon for £84, and that comes with 6 months premium membership. That's included. I was going to buy the Fitbit Aspire 2, which was slightly cheaper, but decided to opt for the Aspire 3 instead, and that's mainly because the quality, it has a better quality screen display, and the reviews on Amazon were very good, so I decided to pay a bit extra for the quality. What else is good about this? Well, it has 10-day battery life for a start, and it can record your daily steps, etc. You're connected day and night with calls, text and app notifications. On your wrist it starts to buzz. That's when your phone is nearby, that is. It has a coloured touchscreen with customised clock face. Okay, yeah, I will leave a link in this description box below if you fancy buying the same model. At the time of this video, they're going for £84 on Amazon, but don't click the link until you've seen the full video. Then you can make up your own mind on whether you want to buy the watch or not. Actually, let me just erase that, what I've just said. I've just checked Amazon. It's gone down to £74. The link will take you directly to the product, and yes, it's now dropped from £84 to £74. So, okay, without further ado, let me get it out the packaging. The watch comes with a quick guide. I'll be showing you how to set it up later on in the video, so don't worry about that. You get 2 silicone straps as well. You get one small one and one large strap, and the straps can be adjusted to fit your wrists. It comes with a USB cable charger that you just connect to the back of the watch, and the USB end goes into your laptop. It takes about an hour to fully charge. As I said before, I will be going through the setup stage later on in the video. Okay, they do come in 3 colours. That's pink, yellow and black. And I've opted for the black colour, as black goes with anything, and it is a bit more expensive, I think, than the other colours. It's water resistant up to 50 metres, but I'm not going to test the watch underwater or anything like that. It's compatible with Apple 15 or higher, and Android OS 9 or higher. It has a 24/7 heart rate and daily readiness score, active zone minutes as well. It tracks your movement all day long, and it also tracks your sleep patterns as well. So how much sleep you're taking, it will track that, and it also vibrates. It's got a vibrating alarm on it. The screen is 2.5 centimetres long, and the width is 1.25 centimetres wide. Okay, to begin, tap on the screen to open the display screen, and there it's telling me the battery has only 19% left, which I will need to charge up before doing anything else. But before I charge it, just want to show you the screen quality. Not bad, is it? Very sharp. Yeah, so as you can see there, it has colour touchscreen, which is nice and clear. The colour is bright and sharp and will provide you with daily stats all day. as I keep repeating. You can also use it as a watch as well. It displays the time and date, which is very good. You can also use it as a watch as well. It displays the time and date, which is very good. Yep, don't worry, I will be showing you how to set it up later on in the video. So let me just turn it round for you. So this is the back of the Fitbit. To charge it, you need to align the 4 gold metal dots to the dots on the cable charger. So that should click. So once you hear the click, that means it's connected. So all you need to do now is plug the other end, the USB end, to your laptop to charge. Did I mention it has 10-day battery life? I think I did. Which means basically less charging. And the battery life varies with use and obviously other factors. So I'm now going to leave that to fully charge, which should take approximately 1 hour. Okay, the watch has fully charged. Just touch the screen to view the display screen. It's telling me to download the app. I'm now going to download the app from the Play Store. That's if you have Android phone. If you have an Apple phone, you will need to download the app from the App Store. The app is called Fitbit Inspire 3. So once you've found that, just click download. Next, it will tell you to pair up the devices. You will need a pairing code to be able to do that. A pairing code will be displayed on your watch. Just enter that code into your phone when it prompts you. The Fitbit watch will display a message letting you know when the pairing is complete. Okay, it's been a week. I've been wearing my Fitbit watch for a week now. I did forget to wear it some of the time, so you just got to get into the habit of putting it on. Okay, I'm going to dive into my stats so you can see a record of my activities. So on Monday I did a bit of walking and it's recorded 16,264 steps. That's 6.9 miles, and I lost a total of 2,313 calories. Wow, quite a lot. So yeah, not bad for day one. However, my steps did drop quite a bit on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday I went swimming, so I didn't bother wearing it. And on Thursday I worked from home, so that didn't really record much there. Then on Friday and Saturday my steps started to go up again as I got back on with my exercise routine, which involves a bit of walking, and I think I did 30 minutes of aerobics and weights as well. You can join their 6-month free premium program, which is more personalised. I'm not sure how much it will cost after 6 months, but I'm generally happy with just what I've got so far, so I'm not going to join their premiership membership just yet. So if you continue to scroll across, it brings up the community page where you can add your friends or share your score, etc. It also shows you the grand total of steps you've done for that week. So in total I've done about 25,663 steps, which is pretty dismal for my standards anyway. I thought I'd do a lot more than that. But I am happy now I've bought the watch. Yeah, it helps me keep track of my steps, and I can now set my own personal goals. So my next target goal is to do, 50 steps per week, and possibly increase that to 60,000 per week thereafter. But everyone is different, so just set your goals that you know you can stick to, at least to start off with, and then if you feel comfortable you can slowly increase your goal. The main goal is to get your heart pumping and your body moving to increase circulation in your body and prevent stiffness and other health issues. So just take it one step at a time. I will be doing another video coming out soon giving you an update, and I will also be wearing it to bed when I sleep to see how accurate it does on tracking my sleep patterns, etc. So in the meantime, I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to purchase the same model from Amazon. Just click on the link and it will take you to this exact model. And do bear in mind that it's £10 cheaper now, so it's a bit of a bargain there. Yep, okay, I hope you found this video useful. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, bye for now.